What's the meaning of cross-examination? Cross-examination. Cross-examination.
Cross-examination. Cross-examination. Cross-examination is a legal term that refers to the questioning of a witness by an opposing party during a trial or hearing. The purpose of cross-examination is to challenge the credibility and truthfulness of the witness's testimony and to elicit facts that are favorable to the questioning party's case. The result of cross-examination can vary depending on the skill and strategy of the questioning party, as well as the honesty and consistency of the witness's responses. It can either strengthen or weaken the witness's credibility and ultimately influence the outcome of the trial or hearing.